This is Els coming to you from Bima's Crafty Corner. And today, I have something very, very different. Because today, we're talking about the meaners at the post office. That's right. Those mean, nasty postal people who charge us $5, on average, to send out our swaps. I've done some digging, and I found out some stuff. First off, the postal code for large envelopes. Large envelopes include these large envelopes, this large envelope, and of course, you know, your standard 6x9. Even a 4x6. Anything that's larger than your bills or a letter is considered a large flat envelope. And these start at about 70 cents to mail and can go up to about $2.50. They do not provide tracking, but they're also considered envelopes and not packages. Here's something else I've learned. If you use these, the bubble wrap, this is automatically considered a package. So don't do this. Okay, so here's the deal. I mail probably 40 swaps a month. That is pocket letters, altered puzzle pieces, altered cards, altered envelopes, altered bags, ATCs, tags, everything. Okay? And I never pay more than $2 to mail anything because I don't want to spend more money on postage than on the item that I'm sending. So I came up with an idea. And the one I'm going to show you today is for pocket letters because it's the easiest one to show you. And I will put a link down below that has the that will get you to the measurements for all of this. So I start off with one of these. It's a file folder, and all I do is just take 1/4 of an inch off the edge here, and then I get out my scoreboard, and I put my scoreboard up. I open up my envelope, and I take the side that's got the long, straight edge right there. And what I do is I go in and I score it at 2 inches. I score it again at 5 3/4. Then at 9 3/4. Then I turn it around and I score it at 3 1/4. Yeah, 3 1/4. There we go. Okay, then I take it, fold it in half. I put the folded end up against my scoreboard. I'm going to go at 1, 1 1/4, and 1 1/2. I'm going to turn it over. Do the same thing over here. 1, 1 1/4, and 1 1/2. Now I'm scoring through 2 pieces of card here, so I'm scoring a little harder. And then I open this up. Then I go ahead and I fold these. Usually just at the middle one is sufficient. Fold that, score it, and get out your folder here and burnish that. That you end up with this. Fold all of these, burnish those, Come on, you little sucker. There we go. Okay. I'm going to burnish this one. And I'm going to burnish this one. And then I'm going to burnish this one. Okay. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and you're just going to go on all of these score lines and just tiny little wedge out of each one of them. Okay? Do that to all your score lines all the way around. And what you should end up with is something that looks like this. Okay? Now, for a pocket letter, you're going to take it, place it in with the 2-inch score closest to you, fold in your edges, fold in the first ones. There we go. Now you've created a pocket for this. Okay? Fold in the next ones and fold it up. Fold in the next ones and fold it up. Now if you want to add something to this, now's the time to do that. Just put it in. Okay? Fold the top down. Now you can close this with some tape and then take it, and this side is the smoothest. Figure out which side is your smoothest side. That's the side that should go on your address side. And then close up your envelope. You may put a piece of decorative tape here, but that's it. From what I understand, they are now stopping all packages that have stickers and pretties on the outside unless they're printed. So if you want to print something on your envelope, run it through your machine and actually print it, that's fine. But they're still going to look at it. Now, handwrite or put a white label with the address of the person that you're shipping this to, a return address, a piece of tape. Take this to your post office. It is under 3/4 of an inch, so it should ship for $1.45. Give or take. If you just put stuff in the backs and you put this down, literally, this is thin. Thin, thin, thin. Put it in your envelope. And send it. Okay, we have 3/4 of an inch to mess with. So if we put this on the 5-inch mark, we are just about between, I would say, 3/8 of an inch. So, that is how you handle a pocket letter. If you're mailing other things, I will have several different sizes on my website for you. So just follow the link below and it will get you to what you need. Okay? That's it for me today. So do me a favor, subscribe, like, share, ring the bell, and if I see you again, fantastic. If not, thanks for stopping by today. Until then, bye-bye.